Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along Bob Iacino. Another dead day in Tesla. I put the volume on here. You can see how it's just been drifting down lowest. I mean, looks like the lowest volume since sometime last December. I haven't done the exact check, but this is incredibly low volume. You just zoom out here, you can see just even by eyeballing it. So it's still a sloppy. It's turning into a sloppier double, but still valid. I'm just watching the daily chart right now. If we get below 986.21, then I'm going to start watching for about 943 to the downside. If we get below the 936, and I'll start watching for that 908.50. The upside levels are all the same. You can check out a prior video or for those levels, but it's just holding this little drift sideways, letting the rotation zone catch up, and the volume is dropping. So it's poised, it's spiraling up. It's poised for a big move one way or the other. We're just gonna have to wait till it breaks out or breaks down and then jump on that short-term trend. Talk to everyone but later. Bye for now.